Morning students. So today here comes with our new topic of artificial intelligence class 9, that is chapter number 3, neural network. So before we move towards understanding what is neural network is, let us recapitulate the previous unit in which we have studied modeling as a step in creating a AI project. There are two different approaches for developing an AI model. The first one is rule based approach and the second one is machine learning approach. Now, in a rule based approach, the developer feeds in data along with some ground rules to the model. The model gets trained with these inputs and give out answers in the form of predictions. This approach is commonly used when we have a known data set or labeled data set. Now let's come to the machine learning approach. So in contrast, under the machine learning approach, the developer feeds in data along with the answers. The machine then designs its own algorithms and methodologies to match the data with the answers and give out the rules. This approach is commonly used when data is unknown or random or unlabeled. So, students, let us understand these approaches with the help of subsequent example of different model. So, my first one is regression. This is a type of rule based AI model. In regression, the algorithm generates a mapping function from the given data represented by the solid line. The dots shown in the graph are data values and the solid line represent the mapping done for them. With the help of these mapping functions, we can predict the future data. For example, if we want to predict the salary of an employee, we can use his or her past salaries as training data and can predict his or her next salary. Regression, remember students that regression works with continuous data. Now the second example is classification. This is another rule based AI model. In classification, the algorithm is able to determine which set a given data point belongs to by means of classification function represented by the dotted line. The model classifies data sets according to the rules given to it. Usually, the data sets used for classification are labeled and the data then gets sorted according to their labeling. Testing data is then classified as one of the labels of training data set. For example, if we want to train a model to identify if an image is of a guitar or a piano, we need to train it with multiple images of both the guitar and piano along with their labels. The machine will then classify images on the basis of the labels and predict the correct label for testing data. So remember student that classification works on discrete data sets. Now let's discuss the next one, that is clustering. This is a machine learning approach where the machine generates its own rule or algorithms to differentiate among the given data to achieve the pre-decided goal. The data fed to such a model is usually unlabeled or random, and thus the developer feeds in the data directly into the machine and instruct it to build its own algorithm. The machine then finds out patterns or trends out of the training data set and cluster the ones which follows the same pattern. The output rules might be very different from what is expected, as the machine has its own way of recognizing patterns. For example, if we have to if we have a random data of stray dogs which live in our locality, amongst which we are unable to find any meaningful pattern, we would feed the data into the clustering algorithm. The algorithm would then analyze the data and divide it into clusters according to the similarities based on the trends noticed. The cluster are then given as an output. So remember students that clustering works on discrete data set as the classification. So on the basis of these facts, now we would move on to the concept of neural network, which is the core concept behind machine learning. Neural networks are one of the methods used for data modeling and analysis. So let's start the definition of neural network. A neural network is a branch of machine learning called deep learning also. Deep learning is one of many machine learning algorithms that enable a computer to perform a plethora of tasks such as following. First one, prediction of certain kind, for example stock prediction, salary prediction, or whether a person is eligible for a job or not. Second, classification, for example classifying the images of different animals, whether an employee is good or bad for the company. So these are a few tasks which will be followed under neural learning. It is also known as deep learning, and deep learning uses the concept of neural networks to do its job. Now let's come to the application of neural network. So the first one is character recognition, second one is image compression, third one is stock market prediction, fourth one is voice recognition system. All the voice recognition system which we use, for example Alexa, for example Google Assistant, Siri, these are all neural network, example of neural networks. Self-driving cars and many more. So in this video we have studied neural network, and let's conclude the topic with the last today's topic with the last topic, that is features of neural network. So the features of neural networks are neural networks are modeled on human brain and nervous system. They are able to automatically extract features without input from the programmer. Every neural net node is essentially a machine learning algorithm, and neural networks are useful in solving problems for which the data sets are quite large. So students, I think so you have understood the basic concept of neural network. Now in the next part of the video we will study the relationship between the neural network and the human nervous system, artificial neural network architecture, and so on. So thank you students, have a nice day ahead. Please stay safe at home and be safe. Thank you.